The carburetor gasket forms a sill between the carburetor and the isolator. Its large size also creates a barrier between the carburetor and the cylinder, blocking the engine heat from the carburetor to prevent vapor lock. The gasket will typically be replaced when the carburetor is removed for servicing. If the gasket doesn't seal tightly, excess air will leak past, causing the engine to run lean. A lean running engine will run poorly and can eventually cause expensive cylinder and piston damage. Replacing the carburetor gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Now remove the air filter base and the carburetor. Now remove the throttle cable. I'll take 2 small flat screwdrivers and insert them in the slits on either side. I'll press in with the screwdrivers and then pry it away from the housing. Now I can remove the carburetor gasket. Now I can install the new carburetor gasket. I'll align it with the housings and work it behind the rear cover. And next I'll reinstall the throttle cable. Now I'll reconnect the throttle cable, align the carburetor with the intake, align the air filter base, and secure it all with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And now you know how to install a new carburetor gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.